Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What are the purposes of divine religion for the daily lives of human beings in this world? What does Islam say about the importance of thinking and thinking critically? What does Islam say about building a just society for the human beings of this world? And ultimately, what does it mean to live Islamically in today's complex world? Join us starting June 5th at 7 p.m. Eastern, in person or through the live broadcasts of Markaz al-Imam al-Mahdi, Ajjalallahu ta'ala farajahu al-Sharif, as we begin exploring the Islamic principles of living through the verses of the Holy Quran and the teachings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad and his Ahlul Bayt, peace and blessings upon them all.